Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today guys, what we're going to be doing is microwaving eggs. Not just one egg, but 5 eggs. So anyways, if you guys are new to the channel, please go down, subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications, stay tuned for more videos. I would like to say thank you for all the support that we've been getting. And by the way, I bought this phone, and I basically bought it to destroy it. It's a real looking phone, and it works. I'll show you it works. See? So it's a real working phone, everybody. So comment down below what we should do to it. Should we destroy it? What should I do with it? So you guys make that decision. So yeah, let's get into the video.
I didn't see a bending in the